Thank you for choosing St. Pete Urology. We look forward to seeing you at your first appointment. For your convenience, all patient forms are located on our homepage, stpeteurology.com. Once you get to the homepage, there is a tab labeled For Patients. When you hover over this tab, a drop-down menu will appear. Please click on Patient Forms, which will be the first one on the list. Once you have reached the Patient's Forms page, you will see all the forms listed, which include Medical History Form, Face Sheet Form, HIPAA Notice of Privacy Practices, and HIPAA Form. Please fill out these forms to the best of your ability. If you do not have access to a printer, you may come to your appointment 30 minutes early and fill out the forms in the office. Most importantly, whether you fill out the forms online or come 30 minutes to your appointment to fill the forms out in the office, it is important that you bring your driver's license, insurance cards, and a full bladder. Our first form we'd like you to fill out is the medical history form. Start with your name and the date. Next, we have the medication list. Please list all medications you are taking. If you do not have the knowledge of your medications, please bring in your bottles and the nurses will help you through it. If you are on any blood thinners, it is important that you please list those, and also your allergies. Surgery history, an exact date is good, but we need at least the year and the type of surgery. In the medical history portion, please list anything significant, such as previous hypertension. After the medical history, please list if you drink coffee or tea, and if you smoke or drink alcohol. If you do smoke or drink alcohol, please list how much or how often. Mark an X on any condition in your immediate family, which would include your mother, your father, and siblings. In the boxes below that, please mark an X if you yourself currently have significant and persisting problems or have had them in the past. Please be thorough and make sure you check the boxes in each category, such as general, cardiovascular, respiratory, etc. This form is our registration form. On this form, please list your full name, starting with your last name, first name, and middle initial. List your full address, social security. If you do not feel comfortable listing your social security, you can give that to us at the time of your appointment. Your date of birth, your age, and your sex, whether it is male or female. A home phone number and a cell phone number. If you do not have a cell phone number, any secondary number where you can be reached would be helpful, and your email address. Please list your marital status and a contact name in case of an emergency, along with their phone number. Please list your primary care physician. If you do not currently have a primary care physician, please list somewhere where you would go for care, such as a CVS, Minute Clinic, etc. Please give us the pharmacy name and the pharmacy location that you use. We do not need exact address for pharmacy location, but if you could give us at least a phone number or an approximation of where the pharmacy is, such as cross streets. And then please check a box on how you were referred to the practice, whether it be by your primary care, if you found it through your insurance, on the internet, etc. Please sign and date the financial assignment and agreement. This is signing the release of information to your insurance company and that you authorize your insurance benefits to be paid directly to the physician at St. Pete Urology. It's an agreement that you are financially responsible for any balances that are not reimbursed by your insurance company. You are also signing that if you cancel an appointment within 48 hours or do not show up for a scheduled appointment without any notification, that a $25 fee will be billed to your account. Thank you again for choosing St. Pete Urology. We appreciate your thoroughness filling out the patient forms. If you have any questions, Please do not call the office. Save them for the time of your appointment and we will address them with you in person. Most importantly, along with your completed forms, please bring your driver's license, insurance cards, and a full bladder for a urine sample. We look forward to seeing you.